Good morning, students. Welcome back to new session. In this session, we are going to discuss subject enrichment activity of linear equations. So the main objective of this activity is to verify the conditions for consistency of a system of linear equation in two variables by graphical representation. What is a linear equation? An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0, and x, y are variables, is called a linear equation in two variables. You can see the consistency of linear equations. It will be consistent when they are intersecting lines, and the ratio of the coefficients are a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. They are also consistent when they are coincide lines, where a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. You have infinite solutions. They are inconsistent when you get parallel lines. The ratio will be a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Then they have no solution. This all we are going to show graphically. So what is the prerequisite knowledge you should know before doing this activity is, you should know how to plot the points on a graph paper, and you should know consistency of lines parallel, intersecting and coincide. Just now we discussed about that condition of consistency. Now what are the materials required to do this activity? Graph papers, Fevicol or glue, or geometry box. Now what is the procedure? Consider three pair of linear equations. First pair 2x minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0, 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Second pair 4x plus 6y equal to 24, 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Third pair x minus 2y equal to 5, 3x minus 6y equal to 15. So take the first pair of linear equation in two variables, 2x minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Obtain a table of at least three such pairs x comma y which satisfies the given equation. So I've taken x minus 2 and you got y 0 and x 0.5, y you will get 1, x 3 and y you will get 2. These are the three. Similarly, for second equation 2 comma 4, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 0. So you are going to plot these points on a graph paper as shown in figure 1. Observe whether the lines are intersecting, parallel or coincide. Write the values in observation table, that is 3 comma 2. Also check a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Here a1 by a2 is 1, b1 by b2 is minus 5 and c1 by c2 is minus 1 by 2. So here you can see a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, that condition. Similarly, you are going to do with the second pair. Take three values, plot the points of two equations in the graph paper and show as shown in figure 2. Observe whether the lines are intersecting or parallel or coincide. Here you can see parallel lines, and the relationship also you can observe a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 here, that is 2 equal to 2 but not equal to 4. The c1 by c2 will be 4. It is not equal. Similarly, third pair also you are going to do the same manner how we had it two pairs. Here you will get coincide lines, because the relation of a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is also equal to c1 by c2. You will get all 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. So this is the procedure completes. Now obtain the condition for two lines to be intersecting, parallel or coincide from the observation table by comparing the values. Now we are going to compare what is a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, what is the condition and all you are going to write in this table, observation table. What you observed, for intersecting lines you observed that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. For parallel lines you observe that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. For coincide lines all the three ratios are same. What is the result you have find? The conditions of consistency of a system of linear equations in two variables is verified graphically. Thank you, students. Have a great day.